Want to sound natural and confident when you talk about New Year celebrations in English? In this video, you'll hear a real English New Year conversation and learn how people really speak in everyday life. And don't skip the ending. I'll also share useful vocabulary and phrases you can start using right away. Hey Daniel, Happy New Year. How are you doing?
Happy New Year, Sarah. I'm doing great, and I'm really happy to start a fresh new year. How about you?
I feel excited too. A new year always feels like a brand new beginning. How did you celebrate New Year's Eve?
I celebrated at home with my family. We had a nice dinner, played some games, and watched the New Year countdown together. When midnight came, we shouted, "Happy New Year!" and hugged each other. How about you?
That sounds wonderful. I went to a small party at my friend's house. There weren't too many people, just close friends. We talked, laughed, listened to music, and took lots of pictures. When the fireworks began, everyone went outside to watch. It was beautiful.
Oh, I love fireworks. The sky becomes so bright and colorful. Did you stay up very late?
Yes, I did. I think I slept around 2 or 3 in the morning. I was tired, but it was worth it. What about you?
Same here. I went to bed really late, but I enjoyed every minute. I like celebrating the last moments of the old year and welcoming the new one with happiness.
Me too. So how do you feel now that the new year has officially started?
I feel hopeful. I want this year to be better than the last one. I want more peace, more happiness, and more good experiences.
That's a great mindset. I think many people feel the same way. A new year gives us motivation to improve and try again.
Exactly. By the way, do you and your family have any New Year traditions?
Yes, actually. Every year my family enjoys a special meal together on New Year's Eve. We also like to talk about good memories from the past year and share what we are thankful for. What about your family?
My family does something similar. We usually watch New Year programs on TV, call relatives, and wish everyone a happy new year. We also like to take a family photo every year on New Year's Eve. It's like keeping a little memory of each year.
That's such a sweet idea. It must be fun looking back at old photos and seeing how everyone changed.
Yes, it is. So after the celebrations, what do you normally do on New Year's Day?
Honestly, I usually relax. I sleep late, eat leftover party food, and spend the day resting. Sometimes I watch movies or spend time with family. What about you?
Same here. After staying up late, I just want a calm and peaceful day. New Year's Day feels like a quiet, fresh start.
That's true. So, how do you wish people Happy New Year? Do you just say Happy New Year or something more?
I usually say something like Happy New Year. I hope this year brings you lots of happiness and success. I like adding kind wishes because it makes people feel good. What about you?
I do the same. I like to say, Happy New Year. I hope this year is full of good health, joy, and wonderful moments. I think warm words really matter.
Definitely. Did you message a lot of people this year?
Oh yes, my phone was so busy. Messages, calls, voice notes, everything. I think everyone tries to reach out to loved ones at the start of a new year.
That's true. It feels nice to know people think about you and care enough to send a message.
Absolutely. So overall, did you enjoy your New Year celebration?
Yes, very much. It wasn't a huge party, but it was meaningful and filled with love and laughter. And that's what matters most to me.
I agree. New Year isn't only about big parties. It's about being thankful, celebrating life, and feeling hopeful about the future.
Well said, Sarah. So once again, Happy New Year. I hope this year is kind to you and full of great moments.
Thank you so much. And Happy New Year to you too, Daniel. I hope your year is filled with peace, success, and lots of happiness.
Let's do our best this year.
Yes, let's make it a great one. Now let's take a moment to review some useful vocabulary and phrases you can start using in real life.
New chapter. A new chapter means a new part of life where new things can begin. Example: this year feels like a new chapter in my life. Feel positive about. Feel positive about means to have hopeful and happy feelings towards something. Example: I feel positive about what this year will bring. Set goals. Set goals means to decide what you want to achieve in the future. Example: many people set goals at the beginning of the year. Make memories. Make memories means to create happy and meaningful moments in life. Example: I hope we make many great memories this year.
Look back on the year. Look back on the year means to remember and think about things that happened last year. Example: people like to look back on the year and remember special moments. Feel grateful. Feel grateful means to be thankful for good things in your life. Example: I feel grateful for my family and friends this year. Hope for the best. Hope for the best means to believe that good things will happen. Example: no matter what, we always hope for the best in the new year. Stay positive. Stay positive means to keep a happy and hopeful attitude even when things are difficult. Example: let's stay positive and do our best this year. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and come back for more English learning conversations.